mixing the two parts, making up the chemical grout, and checking to see how long it takes for the chemical reaction to occur.
And how long does it typically take for it to occur?
Ideal conditions are 20 to 40 seconds.
And if you didn't have an equal mixture, how does that affect the results?
Can you cause it to gel faster or slower? And if you don't have the right mixture, it won't be as strong if you have too much water in it.
Yeah. That is the joke. Now this is what you're saying this is what you use to seal the pipes?
Yeah, it's used to seal leaking joints and cracks in sewer pipe.
Okay.
Pressure of 4 pounds minimum. And if we don't, we increase it with this button here, at least up to 5. And we see if it holds and it doesn't drop too quick, which this one is. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this on. I'm going to start grouting, and this will start pumping the grout into the joint. And this tells us how much grout we're pumping in. And right now that's 1/10 of a gallon. And then we look over here, see if we have any blowback on the packer, and that lets us know if our joint is full.
And this, the image we're seeing, that's the camera on the grouter. How could you just explain that a little bit?
Yep. This is the turn this on. This is what we're actually, you can't see it, but right back here is the joint we're grouting, right where this transducer is. And then what that does is it pumps grout into the joint, fills the void, and what we're actually looking at, this is the packer that blows up and makes the seal for the pressure test. Okay. And then here we want, when we do a gel test in the back there, we want a 40-second gel time. And that's what our cure time is.
Okay.
And once that happens, we shut it off. When it reaches right around 40. And then we increase our pressure again. Back up to around 5 pounds. So it's not holding, so what we're going to do is pump a little bit more grout. And this is called step grouting.
Is there a reason to do it this method?
If there's a big void, you would want to grout, fill that void, and then do another grout, and it fills the bigger of the void.
Okay.
So I'm going to pump another ½ gallon. And once this reaches 1, like right there, that is a gallon that we pumped. Then we do another time test. Another 40 seconds.
And the water on the screen, is that the water
that's actually, yes,
passing
that's actually
through?
Yep.
Okay.
That's a sewer. This is an open packer, so the flow can continue to come through again without backing up any sewers.
Okay. And how many joints were you working on, I guess, today, you know, when you were out here on this one section? We were talking this was 210 feet, roughly?
So far we've had 11 failed joints in this run. There's a joint every 3 feet.
And again, this was the clay pipe.